Just starting out tonight, we're using the Bandit here, and we got our first bass. See how full they are with crabs, and they're eating crabs. The belly's just loaded. Again, fishing the weed lines and bringing that Bandit real slow. This is a Bandit 300. It goes real deep, but reel it a little slower, and those bass are in there feeding on crabs, and they'll come up and hit that. There's a little one. Then we went down to go a little deeper using the Strike King. And not much bigger though. A little bigger than the last one, a little heavier, but still not what we're after. Strike King with the innovation on it. Another largemouth bass. Now we're in these weeds fishing for smallmouth. This is why you always use still leaders. It's a small northern. Smallie. Yeah, it's a dink. Man, they fight. On the floor.
Oh.
Unless you want to swim.
Nice fight.
That's a small. They fight great. Hey, mackerel, what do I got on?
Nice smallmouth.
He's gone.
He lost it.
Yeah,